Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about Cornelian cherries. I'm not sure if you heard about this amazing tree, and it's not very easy to see, and I only managed to see it once, and I was lucky enough I could harvest these unripe Cornelian cherries. So if they are ripe, they will have much more darker color. So in this stage, it's not sort of ripe. And what I did, I saw some recipe. I am following Czech and German couple, and they make these as olives. These are quite sour, tart, sort of like astringent. When they are more ripe, they've got more sweetness into it, but they could be easily described something between cranberries and sour cherries. So it's not really pleasant to eat them raw. It should be good for like jellies, jams, or for some liqueurs, but this thing with the olives, it quite intrigued me, and I was gonna try it. What you need to do, you need salty liquid. So for sort of like 1 liter, you put 25 to 30 grams of salt, and you combine it with unripe Cornelian cherries, and you let it ferment for 7 to 10 days. It depends on your temperature and stuff like that. You just put a lid on it, and you can see I've got some bubbles. After it's done, I just gonna strain it, and then I just put loads of oil in it, and you put any seasoning you would like. What I've got some dried papaya seeds. They are edible. You can check the link above when I was doing some sort of like papaya stuff. And these sort of resemble pepper, so they are quite spicy. I think it would be a good combination. I've got dried nettle seeds, so sort of like wild superfood. I'm gonna put some dried ginger powder, and I also have common hogweed seeds, also dried, so I put them there for some flavor. But you can put anything from your garden. If you like spicy stuff, you can put chilies. If you like garlic, you can put garlic in there. And you should let it infuse for at least 1 month. Longer it's better to, combine the flavors. And the final result, I will be waiting for it myself. And if somebody is making this regularly, let us know in the comments below what is your favorite combination. And if you've got any nice recipe to share about Cornelian cherries, make sure you share it as well. This is what a Cornelian cherry tree looks like in my garden. It's still very small, and it will take some time for me to see the lovely Cornelian cherries. Early in spring it has got lovely yellow flowers, and they are blooming very early in springtime. So it's easy for you to identify if you are looking for it. Look for the yellow flowers early in the season. Okay, this has been strained, so I got rid of the salty water, and I'm gonna put it in a clean jar with combination of olive oil and the other bits. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Time will tell whether it will be success or time waster. So I'm gonna let it infuse for a month or longer, and then I'm gonna have a little nibble. I will keep shaking it and making sure everything is nicely submerged. This was a quick tip from me. I hope you got inspired. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, share with your friends and family, spread some love. Thank you so much for watching, and stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.